Hi friends, Namaste. Nowadays, India is moving towards Atmanirbhar Bharat and the whole country is following policy of vocal for local and make in India. My project highlights Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India in defense and space sector with the help of science and technology. And today I am here with my project on two indigenous missions of ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization, and HAL, that is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited respectively. So further we will discuss about one of the mightiest fighter jet, HAL Tejas, a plane that comes in the category of LCA, that is Light Combat Aircraft. It is the best step for Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India. My dear friends, on 13 Jan 2021, a 48,000 crore deal was signed between government and HAL to buy 83 new Tejas fighter jets. This is the model of Tejas made by me. So now let's talk about uses, capacity and features of HAL Tejas. India has total 212 Tejas aircrafts including the deal of 13 January. It has the speed of 1.6 Mach or 2000 km per hour and the weight of Tejas is around 6.5 tons. It is designed to work at higher elevation airfields. It is capable to perform day-night operations, air defense operations, ground attack strike, deep penetration strike, precision attack. It is fully capable with multi-mode radar and it has got helmet mounted side. Now let's know about its arms and weapons. Tejas has 1 into 23 mm twin barrel GSH-23 cannon gun. Tejas has air-to-air missiles like R-73, IWER, Ashram, Astra Mark 1, Astra Mark 2, Astra IR, R-77, Python 5, etc. It has air-to-surface missiles like KH-59ME, KH-59L, KH-59T and BrahMos NGALCM missile, etc. Anti-radiation missile like Rudram 1, anti-ship missile like KH-35 and KH-59MK, BrahMos NGALCM, etc. Tejas has precision guided bombs like SPICE, HSLD, DRDO guided bombs, DRDO SAW, laser guided bombs like KAB-1500, GBU-16 Paveway, Sudarshan, cluster munition bomb like RBK-500, unguided bombs like ODAB, ZAB, BETAB, FAB-500, FAB-250, OFAB 250. It is loaded with BVR missile, that is Beyond Visual Range missile, and the main advantage of it is that it can perform air-to-air refueling. Body of Tejas is made up of 42% carbon fiber, 43% aluminium alloy and titanium in remaining part. After becoming self-reliant in defense, India gained a notable position in space science and technology and became self-reliant in it. So, these were some of the features of HAL Tejas, and now we will move to second part of my video. AstroSat is a large scientific satellite of India for observing our universe in detail to understand it better. Built and launched by Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, AstroSat took its final shape at headquarters of ISRO at Bengaluru. When you take a first look at AstroSat, it appears like a box wrapped mostly in golden colored blanket with many features of protecting it from different faces, but most prominently from its top. The structural skeletons of AstroSat is made up of various alloys and tough plastic-like materials called composites. Keeping the temperature of different portions of an astroset is very much essential for its trouble-free working. This is taken care of by its thermal subsystem. The two large solar panel wings of astroset are folded during launch and later they are spread out. Its solar panels generate about 2100 watts, which is essential for astroset to function. The satellite is capable of simultaneously sensing the visible light, ultraviolet rays and X-rays emitted by heavenly bodies. Because of this, it is known as Multi-Wavelength Space Observatory. It is India's first multi-wavelength space observatory. Major astronomical institutions of India have made important contributions to AstroSat. Thus, it is a major national effort in the field of scientific research. India's famous scientific astronomical institutions like Inter-University Centre of Astronomy and Astrophysics of Pune, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research of Mumbai, Indian Institute of Astrophysics and Raman Institute of Bangalore have contributed to the building of scientific instruments of AstroSat. AstroSat is mainly intended to study such interesting astronomical objects like very hot star, neutron stars, black hole, galaxies, etc. With its help, scientists can study star formation in other galaxies. AstroSat is now revolving around the Earth in a circular orbit which is 650 km high. At that height, it takes about 98 minutes for AstroSat to complete one revolution of Earth. The 1513 kg AstroSat was successfully launched into orbit by India's workhorse satellite launch vehicle PSLV in its 31st flight on September 28, 2015. Interestingly, that flight was 30th successful flight of PSLV in a row, along with AstroSats. 6 smaller satellites from Canada, Indonesia, and USA also went into orbit. In this way, PSLV was launched with a total 7 satellites. This clearly indicates that India is not only capable of building a sophisticated satellite but has ability to precisely launch it well. At the same time, it shows the confidence of outside world in Indian rockets. AstroSat took 22 minutes to reach its intended orbit in PSLV XL. After its successful entry into the orbit, the satellite was thoroughly tested for many weeks. Then, the regular observations began, and AstroSat had already sent interesting information collected by its scientific instruments. There are 5 payloads or scientific instruments of AstroSat which help us to understand various types of interesting heavenly bodies in detail. The first one is UVIT, that is Ultraviolet Imaging Telescope. The second is SXT, Soft X-ray Telescope. The third is LAXPC, that is Large Area X-ray Proportional Counter. Fourth is CZTI, Cadmium Zinc Telluride Imager. And fifth is XSM or SSM, that is X-ray Sky Monitor. Tejas and AstroSat proves us that nothing is impossible if we have confidence on our hard work of success. So, let's try our level best for becoming part in India's success in various fields. Thank you. Jai Hind. Vande Matram.